Hello friends, today we will learn and paint 11 to 30 with color name. Let's paint. Orange color 11. Yellow color 12. Red color 13. Light green color 14. Sky blue color 15. Orange color 16. Yellow color 17. Red color 18. Light green color 19. Sky blue color 20. Orange color 21. Yellow color 22. Red color 23. Light green color 24. Sky blue color 25. Orange color 26. Yellow color 27. Red color 28. Light green color 29. Sky blue color 30. Let's learn 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Let's draw. A for apple. B for ball. C for cow. D for duckling. E for earth. F for frog. G for grapes. H for hand. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nose. O. O for octopus. P. P for panda. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. S. S for sun. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for what? X. X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for UU. Z. Z for zoo. Let's learn. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Let's paint. Sky blue color. A. A for apple. Dark green color. B. B for butterfly. Red color. C. C for cake. Yellow color. D. D for dog. Orange color. E. E for elephant. Sky blue color. F. F for fish. Dark green color. G. G for goat. Red color. H. H for hen. Yellow color. I. I for island. Orange color. J. J for joker. Sky blue color. K. K for kite. Dark green color. L. L for lion. Red color. M. M for monkey. Yellow color. N. N for nest. Orange color. O. O for onion. Sky blue color. P. P for panda. Dark green color. Q. Q for quilt. Red color. R. R for rabbit. yellow color. S for sun, orange color. T for tiger, sky blue color. U for umbrella, dark green color. V for fan, red color. W for watermelon, yellow color. X for Xmas tree, orange color. Y for yo-yo, sky blue color. Z for zebra. Let's learn. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.